I can definitely say, I'm gonna focus you in, I'm so sorry. This is the worst I've ever broken out in my life. This is disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm like, I can deal with blood, I can deal with like cuts, anything. Like, I can watch a surgery and not be grossed out. But when it comes to pimples, I'm like, so I'm really sorry about that. Oh, I need to grab my mirror so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Hold on. Today, I'm gonna be starting with the primer from YSL. It's amazing, it's perfect. I'm using my Makeup Forever HD foundation. It's awesome. I'm in the shade R230 if you care. I'm a pale bitch. I'm just gonna start out with one pump on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take, what am I wearing? I'm gonna actually take the Sigma Flat Top Kabuki F80. I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just bouncing it all on my skin and on the foundation just to pick up any excess product, put a little moisture in it, put a little bounce back in my skin. Just a comparison of before and after, even just with one layer of foundation, that was pretty good. So now I'm going to be using the Giorgio Armani. It's made in France. Bougie. I'm using a little bit right under my eyes because I want to color correct by Giorgio Armani. And then I'm going in with Maybelline. So we really have the high end and the lower end. And then I'm going to do like every other stripe. Look at that. It's like face paint. And then whenever I do my blemishes, I don't like tap right on the blemish. I always go like around it because I don't want to contaminate the wand. So I'm going around it. I'm gonna take a pause on the face right now. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Now my brows are all done. I just have to set them with clear brow gel. So I'm using this Tarte blush in the shade Party with like a million A's, and then I'm going, that's the name of it by the way, and then I'm going in with this actually highlighter brush from Morphe. I think it's the Morphe M501, except for the fact that I didn't want to go in with this. This is just like what I ended up having. I forgot to bring my blush brush, and then I went in with this BH Cosmetics brush, which is sorry about that, BH Cosmetics brush, which is this, like one of my ride or die brushes. It's incredible. It's super cheap, but it's also like freaking phenomenal, and I go in and just blend everything out with this so it's nice and soft and blown out and beautiful. Okay, you get the point. So guys, I'm never gonna stop using this. It's so freaking bomb. Oh, I could use the blush in there. I love the blush in here. Whatever. I'm mixing both shades. You do get kickback, but it's still an amazingness palette. I'm just curling my eyelashes with the Tarte lash curler. Doesn't matter which lash curler you use. I also use the Cosmetics Superhero mascara, and then I'm using MAC lipstick. Is it just me, or does MAC lipstick literally smell so good? Maybe it just brings back memories. I don't know, but I freaking love the smell of it. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then I don't want it as strong, so instead of fully going over the bottom lip, I'm just sort of dabbing it on. That's sort of a trick to get color, but not the full pigment it could give off. So yeah, I'm doing that. I love the lip, and then I actually ended up putting on some highlighter over top of it just to make it like a little bit shimmery. I'm using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to melt everything together, all the different layers, look like natural skin. It would mean so much to me if you click the red subscribe button and click the bell next to the subscription button so you can be notified when I upload a video. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, please be sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to keep filming them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!